Every shop fights the same battle. Too many calls, not enough time, and customers wanting updates right now. Advisors are slammed, techs are waiting, customers are getting frustrated, and communication becomes a guessing game. That's why I built Sync Service. It's the AI communicator engine made specifically for service shops. When communication is automatic, your shop runs smoother. Advisors stay calm and techs stay moving. And then most importantly, customers stay informed. Whether you're a small two-base shop or a multi-location dealership, Sync Service scales with your workflow and your team. This isn't built by a software company guessing how shops work. It's built by the business mechanic, built from real shop experience, real advisor pain, and real workflow problems. Every ticket moves through clear stages. Every customer gets real-time updates. Every approval is tracked. No more sticky notes, and no more did we ever call them. Sync Service handles the updates for you. It sends messages, photos, approvals, and follow-ups automatically so your advisors can focus on customers in front of them. So start your 7-day free trial. No setup headaches. It's just a cleaner, faster, more organized shop. Sync Service, another powerful service solution brought to you by the team at the Business Mechanic. The way shop communication should be. And in closing, always, please, be kind.